Um,
This is the third time you've asked me.
sorry. It's just that we've gone through something straight out of an action.
I'm fine.
But your hair's all singed and curling.
That's the Hoshimi family's natural curls. You don't need to worry about me. I've been...
Miss Miyabi, there are...
What?
Sorry, I lied.
That's not funny. And my response...
All right. I just... Miss Miyabi, there's...
Where?
Sorry, I lied again. See, you fell for it twice.
You keep mocking me. What do you have to say to me?
The Hoshimi family never makes the same mistake thrice, but you just did. Miss Miyabi.
When my katana was out of control, you rushed and you already figured out where the exit is.
Because I'm your proxy. Even if we're just...
This is a Hoshimi family heirloom. It's never misbehaved once since my father made the scabbard for me. I don't know why it went out of control. Maybe there was some Besides, he's likely busy socializing with the mayor today, secretly swapping wine for juice.
Mind if I examine your katana?
Apart from being a proxy...
Oh, no. But I noticed even though my eye implant's main functions are down, I can still interact with electronics.
If it's just the scab...
The smart data structure of this blade looks really familiar. Strange. It's like a labyrinth of hollow observation data. Is it meant to track something inside the sheet?
So, do you have a way to fix it?
I'll need to borrow the data pile's computing power again. There's a shortcut up ahead. Let's go. A defense mechanism? Did the enemy leave it behind? I'll try shutting it off.
Okay. Be careful.
Why hasn't it completely shut down? Sub-control units A and B aren't responding. We'll have to go find them. Miss Miyabi, there should be 2 control terminals inside. You'll have to find a way to access them.
Okay, I'll go take a look.
We've got enemies after us! Be careful, Miss Miyabi! Miss Miyabi, I have a theory about your blade.
Go on.
The internal data structure seems to be a labyrinth.
Is this the device we're looking
With
for?
some hollow observation data, we might be able to solve it. Anyway, let's find the remaining observation data first. Nice! Sub-control unit A is taken care of. Just one more and we're done. Sub-control unit B is done. We have all permissions granted now. Mechanism unlocked.
Proxy, you said there's a way to fix my blade?
Well, it's more of an emergency patch than a complete fix. We'll use the information in the data pile to optimize the internal system. We can give it a try when we find the next data pile.
All right. That doesn't conflict with our final objective. Thank you.
The last observation data pile should be nearby. Once we find it, I can try adjusting your blade.
I trust you, Proxy.
Oh no, looks like trouble's caught up with us again.
Not a problem with me here.
use it to adjust the sheet first, and then I'll find a way out. Don't worry, Miss Miyabi. We'll get it done.
Okay, I'll leave it to you.
I didn't expect the alarm to be so loud.
Take my blade, and watch out for enemy attacks.
Okay, it's almost done. Miss Miyabi, take the blade!
Thank you. Leave the enemies to me. You go hide. Weakling. My blade seems to be working as normal. You can come out now, Proxy. Proxy?
You're awake?
You're finally awake. I'm so tired. I'm okay. Nekoma.
Bella, you're finally awake.
Huh. My ocular implants are working again. I feel... Welcome back to the real world. You made it out. If you'd stayed unconscious any longer, your...
Welcome back, Master. I have calibrated your smart ocular implants via my first assistant, EOS. Approximately half an hour ago, initial test results indicate that you were exposed to an extremely dangerous... After leaving the hollow, the rejection reaction caused further complications, with a brief cardiac arrest being the most severe.
Okay. We just gave you some emergency care to pull you back from the brink. No need to get into the... Are you in Section 6 on good terms now?
I'm fine.
As expected of the chief, busting out of a hollow carrying...
Asaba, did you get the captives?
Yeah, they confessed, but nothing too helpful. The only thing we...
Hang on. What are you guys... I'll fill you in. After your car crashed into the hollow, we got surrounded by those heavily armed mercenaries and had to take them out first. The bad guys were chasing after us, and we were chasing after Chief Miyabi. It was a tough situation, so we joined forces to take down the mercenaries. We hurried over here and found...
You can skip that part.
What? Are you...
If you keep talking, I'll tell everyone how you
Ugh. Fine. This fox even agreed to hold off on arresting you until further investigation is Hold on. What was that? We needed to pry some answers from the captives.
Pearlman, the key witness in the Vision scandal, was after the crash. You got thrown into the hollow.
You really should rest a bit more.
Agreed. Master must maintain adequate energy to operate inside the hollows. Resting to...
Don't worry, I'm much better now thanks to you and—
I get that, but your
Master, after cross-referencing, a biosignal matching...
the ballet twins hollow. That reminds me.
Makes sense. Their goal at the time was disrupt the vision trial, and now they've kidnapped the key witness, Perlman. Their motive— this might sound cruel, but why go— if their goal is to silence anyone involved with the vision scandal?
Warning. Approaching the video store.
Cut it out, Fairy. The last thing Bell... Wait.
Warning.
What's happening? Is our system under attack again?
Something's off. This is not a network attack.
Bell, it's real. There are people right...
Good day. We're conducting security patrols on 6th Street during the
I'll handle the officers. You take care...
Nothing unusual up.
Please be careful. You're welcome to look around, but don't...
What's inside this room?
It's just a storage room, filled with personal items and, old equipment.
Could you please open it up so we...
Is that really necessary? As you can see...
I get that, but this is just a standard procedure during a... If you won't open up, I've no choice but to do it myself.
Wait! Hold on!
Please cooperate.
Hold it!
We have new orders. More manpower is needed to increase our street patrols. The Special Response Team will take over 6th Street's inspection from here. Good work today, officers. The Street Patrol Supervisor is expecting you. Be sure not to keep him waiting.
Okay, application approved. The security patrol—
Thank you, Qingyi. Now, manager.
Before we get into that...
As you know, Manager, I have a good relationship with your AI assistant, Fairy. I just received a message from— it said 01101000, 01100101, 01101100, 01110000.
Is that binary code?
It's a set of standard information codes from the old civilization, and it translates to help.
Worried that you might be in danger, Juyun dragged me along. Thank you, Qingyi. Please hang out with Fairy.
Save the thanks for after you've given me a proper explanation. I'm going to handle—
This—
Allow me to explain.
Huh?
It's been a while, Juyuan. It is I, Hoshimi Miyabi.
Allow me to sum this up. There's more to the vision case than meets the eye. And the managers, law-abiding by the book, are in fact— Sorry. It's true. We're proxies.
Truth be told, I had my doubts about the manager's identity.
I didn't believe it. I was convinced the managers wouldn't too bad. I was wrong.
Ji-Yuan, I'm so sorry.
Enough! Let's focus on the main issue. You do realize you're leveling serious accusations, and you don't have the key witness or any evidence. But the leader of Section 6, maybe I'm a fool who's easily deceived.
So...
I'm not going to escalate this to my superiors until the day's over. You have enough time to secure...
Thank you, Ji-Yuan.
Don't thank me just yet. If my investigation shows proxies,